This is what the friends are. Are you guys ready? Yes? Okay, without further ado, I'd like to call on my Can you hear? Hit you with that
time and year on year, we're going to be taking our groovy. So please gather up and smile.
Good evening, everyone. Hey, how are you? Hello, I'm good. How are you guys? Hello.
Looking so beautiful tonight. Of course, Elaine, apart from the beauty that you are, the Vivo V40 is a beauty in itself. So Elaine, my question to you is, what stands out in the Vivo 40? What is it that you like the most about Vivo V40?
Well, as someone who loves taking photos and videos, it's really the camera features that stood out for me the most. The Zeiss optics, the Vivo signature Aura Light, and the triple 50 megapixel camera are just fantastic in capturing great detail. And I also love to travel, so it's really nice and convenient to have like a pocket professional camera at hand wherever you go.
I like it. Now you put a pocket professional camera.
Yeah.
That means you don't have to bring your DSLR anymore.
Actually, the V-Series, everything in the V-Series are like your pocket professional camera.
Perfect.
And remember, for those wishing to check the photos, all we have to do is go to our social media pages. All good with photos? Yes, a round of applause once again for our VIPs. Once again, it's always such a pleasure to see everyone. I hope you all have a lovely evening.
How about you, Robert?
This is the honor to be here in the Philippines, especially Manila. So I just want to say thanks for having me. Vivo, thanks for bringing me out. NBA, thank you. Rashi, I'm not.
Thank you. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you for coming back to Manila. And last but not least, we have Wayne.
Thank you so much, Vivo fam, and of course, Vivo for the trust that you've given me for over 5 years. And I hope you all had fun tonight, and I hope you could all get your hands on the newest Vivo V40.
All right, have another good day again. Thank you so much.